Okay, what we saw during the trailer, that moment, them being arrested, better now than at the end, Rio! You're okay. Now arresting you, they are not killing you, none of you is killed. Stay alive, all of you. Rio! Right there. You're not dead, you're not killed. We knew that it was gonna happen. Not hurt, not killed, just arrested. I'm an optimist person. We have allies into the army, into the police. Raphael, he wasn't alive. I have to be optimist. Better now than at the end, Guys, don't move, don't let them any reason to shoot you, please. It's safe for them to not know where the gold is. That way it can be a part of the plan. I'm too optimist, I'm going too far, I know. Shut the fuck up, okay?
Aquí el comandante de Casa. Les comunico que la banda ha caído. No ha habido bajas por nuestra parte ni por la suya.
Not the ones outside. You don't have El Professor. You don't have... No. Better now than at the end. I won. You think? I don't want to believe so. See my position, I'm really like, no, I don't want to believe so. You don't have the gold, and you need it, and they don't know where it is. You didn't win, not totally, not yet.
Sergio, tranquilo, estamos todos vivos.
Así que le recomiendo que se busque el agujero más oscuro y profundo que encuentre porque vamos a por usted.
No hace falta nada, Mario.
You're gonna give yourself.
Voy a entregarme.
We saw it also during the trailer.
Ay, iré pensando que por cobardía, si algo salía mal, yo estaría fuera y ellos no. Me prometo a mí mismo que si la banda caía, yo caeré con ellos. Le pido entre caballeros que acepte mi rendición.
It's not gonna help, you know. You don't want to think about it, to find a way to get them out and find out plan.
¿Cómo vas a enterarte?
Mantenemos a los rehenes en la biblioteca, que no salgan de ahí.
Ah!
No sabe nadie. ¿Entendido?
Is it good or bad? I don't know. We saw that bird out during the trailer.
¿Dónde está la realidad? No hay muerte. Todavía tenemos una oportunidad, una entre un millón, pero todavía tenemos una oportunidad.
¿Una oportunidad de qué? ¿Una oportunidad de qué?
Necesito que me encuentres algo. Necesito que me encuentres algo.
You need her for that.
Escúchame.
Ahora resulta que tú y yo, la recién parida y el expresidial, el golpe final, el jaque mate,
Yes.
la jugada maestra, ¿no? Mejor.
Yes,
Si hay alguien que puede hacer lo que sea, es tú.
I think also because you're crazy enough,
No sé si puedo enfrentarme a una guerra entre familias del crimen
and
organizado.
she has nothing to lose.
Encontrar a unos ladrones es lo que vas haciendo toda la vida y en eso eres la mejor.
Why did I think that you planned that? You didn't.
Dice el Interpol, estoy buscando meses y meses por todo el planeta intentando localizarme. Y no lo consiguió, lo hiciste tú. Así que coge esos coches y esta banda. Y encuentra el botín más grande de la historia.
And it can be a way to clear your name, Alicia. He's offering you that? A way to clear your name? Am I?
Si eres afortunado con eso, la primera vez que abrazo a alguien. De verdad.
Nah.
El amor. Y lo más importante, es la primera vez que algo me hace gracia. De verdad.
Se podrá saber qué ha sido.
Pues nada, que me deja usted con un bot. Y estas quejas y sus amigos.
Son los mejores.
¿Quién?
To give it to someone?
Señores,
Better now than at the end.
Ve a mi hija, dígale que la quiero mucho.
You're not gonna die, Benjamin. That's it. That's the cow that we saw in the trailer. No gold anymore, and you need it. All of the economy of your country wouldn't survive to lose that gold. And the fact that they don't know where it is, it's good for them. I really think that good plan. There is no rat inside of this group because yes, it was Berlin, but it was on purpose. No? Oh, I don't know. Yeah,
Se han llevado toda la reserva nacional.
they did.
¿Saben lo que eso significa? Es el respaldo crediticio de un país. La solvencia, la garantía.
You can't lose it. It's more important for you to get this gold back than them.
Vamos, ¿qué coño contar? Seguimos en medio de esta mierda.
Ya, que al final éramos los profesionales de la noche. Usted y yo.
esto sí es más resistente.
Está tejido mucho esto.
You needed. That's why you remember her now. Now that you're
Pues
giving yourself.
¿Qué?
Que siempre llegas hasta el final.
You do! And you're gonna do it again.
Me he dado cuenta de que eres un héroe.
You think?
Nosotros podemos estar bebiendo y haciendo el mono y tú estás al otro lado disfrutando la cuerda.
But right there I lost control.
Contigo sabemos que nada va a salir mal. Las de la mano.
A red car, like.
Eres un hombre de ilusionismo. Por eso volvemos a meternos en la boca del lobo.
You're going back into it.
Porque creemos mucho en ti.
I still believe. Is it because of that? Am I crazy to still have hope?
Es nuestra fe. Nuestra fe de que todas las demás fallan. Nos quedas tú. Aunque nos quedan tan pegados.
Like right now.
Estamos casi muertos. Seguimos creyendo.
I've been denial since the beginning of this episode already. I am up. I swear I am up. It's almost like it's only in my dreams that it all of what I imagine can happen, but until now. He's entering into it. Stop, man. Yes, I'm searching for a solution. I believe in you. I'm in depression. And at the same time, I'm in denial. Like, they are giving me all of the reasons into this world to be depressed. But in my heart, I'm giving to myself all of the reasons to continue to have hope. I'm pretty sure that 90% of my theories are wrong. Because I'm too optimist. Because I want them to succeed too much. Because what I imagine is too good to be true. But follow me with my theories. I swear, again, I believe that 90% of them are wrong. But still, hear all of my theories right now. You think that the rat into all of that, with the story with Raphael, it's her because Berlin told her everything, she told it to Raphael, they stole your gold all for themselves, by themselves. I don't know why, I still think that it's not the case. He stole your wife, and maybe he could steal your money, but not like that, not after your death. For me, I really thought that Raphael would be useful at some point because after being at war, with his dad because he stole his wife, he would honor his memory by helping us, and I still want to believe so. Again, I would be proud of him if it would be not the case, if he just stole the money for himself. But in my heart, I want him to honor his dad, to be on our side still now. And maybe Berlin knew it. For them to bury the gold just right there and to leave it just right there, like without anyone keeping an eye on it, like, would you really have done that? The fact that they marked the gold like that, I still think that it means something, with the mask and all. You can't use it just like that gold. You have to transform it again if you want to use it, because no one is gonna accept a gold with that mask on it. I mean, not any official thing. Do you want to distribute it to people? Do you want to... again, we began the season 4 with them giving money to people. And I said that at some point they were gonna serve people again. Can it be with that gold that they're gonna give to people like that? Like, I don't know. And the fact that they made it clear, and I said it also in some of my intros, the fact that the gold was really important because it represents all of the economy of that country. So you want the gold even more than you want the ones who stole it. And that's why also when Raphael stole the gold, I thought that it could be a part of the plan, because in fact it's safe for them to have someone else who has the gold, because you don't know where it is, you can't tell where it is, so they can't put the pressure on you for that, like torture you with that. But at the same time, right there, a professor, he said to Alicia, go find the gold, you can be the one to find it, the only one to find it, you found me when no one did before. And it's true, it's really the case. But once she's gonna find the gold, it means that she's gonna fight with Raphael and his men. I mean, if we're following the story like they are telling us that story, for me, in my dreams, in my fantasy world, it was a part of the plan for El Professor to have Alicia involved at some point into all of that. Maybe not like that, but still. It was a part of the plan for Raphael to steal the gold, to have it safe somewhere. It's a part of the plan to tell Alicia to go find the gold. You're gonna let her with the gold. She's gonna be the one who is gonna find the gold, and it's gonna be a way for her to clear her name. And that's what she wants since the beginning. You didn't want the gold. Not really, not entirely. Maybe you kept only a part of it. But you didn't want the gold. You did all of that for Rio at the beginning and for the people. For me, maybe you kept a little part of that gold, but you let the rest because you don't want to destroy that country by taking all of its gold. You want to help Alicia to clear her name, and in fact all of what we have to worry just right now is to have every one of you out alive and free. So that's why to have all of you still into the bank right now and a professor to join you, it's not that bad, because follow me again with that into my dreams. Remember that already during the part 1 I was like, guys, you had to suspect that the army, all of these police guys and all would be involved, so you have people inside who are allies. You have to. I thought, at first that it was Sagasta men. Now I don't think so, but it still can be possible that we have some allies into this army, into this police. Like, can you get out of the place, like you're being arrested, but in fact no. I know they're getting arrested. So many people are gonna keep an eye on that. Into my fantasy world, into my dreams, it can happen like that. All of what I just said. Raphael was a part of the plan. Having Alicia getting the gold back was a part of the plan, to have her name cleared, because you didn't care about the gold, because you wanted Rio back, a little of the gold for sure. You want to prove to people, outside that you were not there, to be thieves, but really just to have your friend back. We have allies that we don't suspect. Raphael, Alicia, she was manipulated to be one. Maybe some in the army, in the police. I have to think like that. And I can imagine all of that and be so optimist also, because all of the bad things that I was waiting for, them being arrested, a professor giving himself, and all of that happened during this episode. That's it, I said it. We have to lose a lot, but at the end, we're gonna win. It's better for all of that to happen now than at the end. So that's why I want to have hope. I'm waiting for the last episode, like we're gonna have a reveal. In fact, we thought of that and that. Even if it's not what I just said, again, 90% of what I just said was wrong. Even if it was not what I just said, it can still be resolved. We had a lot of flashbacks with Berlin. I would be okay to have one more for him to tell that Raphael was a part of the plan. We had one flashback right there with Tokyo. I would be okay to have some more with her, and we didn't have one with Nairobi yet. We had one during the first part of the season. I think that we're gonna have one right there for the last episode. It's a really long episode and it's gonna be exhausting, so emotional, with so many things happening into it, a lot of actions. But it has to happen like I just said, I want it to happen like I just said. I need it to happen like I just said. Like, I'm so glad right now that none of them was killed during that moment. They were arrested for sure, but none of them died. Maybe we're gonna lose one during the final episode, being killed or being arrested, but not all of them. Not all of them are gonna be killed, or not all of them are gonna be arrested. Like, it's really great, to begin the last episode of this show being like, for now we didn't have any more deaths. It's cool, like, it's better than what I thought. It's giving me hope, in fact. It's so weird. Really, at the end of the episode 7, we were winning so much, like with the Heist, with a professor being back, like really we were winning. And me, I was like, no, I don't have any hope, it's not normal, it's too good to be true, and we know that so many things, so many bad things are gonna happen, that I'm afraid of them happening too late, like at the end of the season. We need all of these bad things to happen right now. Now that all of them happened, I'm almost glad, like, we still have one episode, one long episode. Plenty of time to resolve it. I'm an optimist person, as you can tell. Okay, I'm gonna end this video right now and I'm gonna watch the last episode right now. It's gonna be in another day for you, just in some minutes for me. Really, for all of this part 2 of the season 5, be sure that on my Patreon I'm gonna put the full action part for each of these episodes, and they're already all waiting for you on my Patreon. It's all for you for today, and it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye. I'm exhausted. Oh, I'm gonna die during the final episode.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Great.